Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Facebook ads account and remove credit card. In this walkthrough, we'll close out an ad account safely and then remove the payment method tied to it. Before you begin, make sure you have admin access to the business and that there are no outstanding balances or active campaigns. If there are charges pending, Facebook may not let you remove your card until billing is settled. Start by opening Meta Business Suite in your browser and signing into the correct business. From the left-hand sidebar, scroll to the bottom and select Settings. This area controls your business assets and permissions, so take a moment to confirm you're viewing the right business if you manage more than one. Inside Settings, go to Ad Accounts and select the ad account you want to close. Look for the option to deactivate the account. Facebook often labels this as Deactivate or Close Ad Account. Click it and follow the on-screen steps. You may be asked to choose a reason and to confirm that all ads will stop running immediately. Keep in mind, any pending charges will still be processed, and you might need to clear a final balance. Some accounts can be reactivated later, but proceed as if this closure is permanent. When you see the confirmation banner, the ad account has been deactivated. Next, return to Meta Business Suite's home screen. From the same left-hand menu, open Ads Manager. If your business uses multiple ad accounts, double-check the selector at the top to ensure you're in the account you just deactivated. Within Ads Manager, open Billing and Payments. This is where you can review charges, invoices, and payment settings. Navigate to the Payment Methods section. Here you'll see your saved card or bank details. Find the method you want to remove and choose Remove. If you can't remove it, it's typically because there's an unpaid balance or the method is still set as the primary for an active account. In that case, you may need to clear the balance first or switch the primary method, then remove the old one. Once the account is deactivated and the balance is zero, removal should go through. That's it. You've deactivated your Facebook ad account and removed the associated payment method. As a helpful tip, consider downloading any invoices you need for your records from the billing area before you leave. If you manage multiple ad accounts, repeat these same steps for each one. Interface labels can vary slightly over time, but the flow remains the same. Adjust the ad account in Settings, then manage payment methods and billing. Thanks for following along, and take care.